We all believe that everything which happens in our planet Earth have a quite well-defined answer, but is that really true? Because today, Mysterious Cliffhanger has brought top 5 unbelievable coincidences from around the world, and after listening to these coincidences, you guys will understand that there are few things which happens in our earth and people do not have answer for those things. Number 5. Unlucky Brothers, Bermuda Islands. In 1975, during the month of July, a man was killed while riding a moped in Bermuda when he was hit by a taxi. After 1 year, that man's brother was riding that same moped and was hit by a taxi and killed. But guys, the shocking thing is that it was the same taxi driver who had killed his brother, who was carrying the same passenger at both times. Number 4. Coincidences in the biographies of Lincoln and Kennedy. The two US presidents, Abraham Lincoln and John Kennedy, had some unbelievable similarities in their lives, like both of them were killed by a gunshot. The bullet of the gun hit both of them at the same place. At the time of their death, both of them were accompanied by their wives. Although their time of death was different, but guys, the shocking thing is that John Kennedy's secretary's name was Lincoln and Abraham Lincoln's secretary's name was John, and also shockingly, both of them had a friend named Billy Graham. Number 3. Simpsons predicted coronavirus. Simpsons, the 90s animated show, popularly known for predicting some unbelievable things of the future. But do you know guys that Simpson had also predicted about the outbreak of coronavirus some 27 years ago? Some pictures from 1993 season 4's episode 21 of The Simpsons has gone viral in the media. According to those pictures, we can clearly see that some kind of virus had caused chaos in the show, and one of the pics also shows the news anchor with the words coronavirus written in the backdrop. Number 2. Sinking of the Titan. In 1898, that is 14 years before the sinking of Titanic, an author named Morgan Robertson wrote a book named Futility. The book was about the sinking of a ship named Titan. But guys, the shocking thing is that both the ships had the same attributes and both of them sank in the North Atlantic Ocean after getting hit by an iceberg. And guys, after the Titanic events, the book again came into demand, but that time with the name The Sinking of the Titan. And now guys, for the number 1 coincidence. Hugh Williams. On December 5th, 1664, a ship was sank in the Menai Strait off the coast of Wales. The ship had 81 passengers in total. All 81 passengers died except for one man named Hugh Williams. Then nearly a century later, on December 5th, 1785, another ship with 60 aboard sank in the Menai Strait. The only survivor was a man named Hugh Williams. Then again on December 5th, 1820, a third ship sank in the Menai Strait. All 25 aboard were drowned, except, I know guys, you have guessed it, this time a man named Hugh Williams. Guys, I hope you liked this video. If you liked this video, then please hit the thumbs up button, and if you want to see some more videos like this, then please hit the subscribe button. Stay safe guys. We will again meet you guys in the next video. Till then, goodbye.
I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.